Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a story on Facebook. So make sure you got the Facebook app, the newly updated one of the App Store or Google Play Store, because this is going to work on any device. It's going to be the same process whether it's Samsung, iPhone, whatever you have. So first of all, click on Facebook, and then once you're there, you're going to want to click on the bottom right hand corner with the three little lines there, because you're going to want to get on your profiles. This is how you're going to get there. So get on your profile, and at the top you're going to see your name, and let's just see your profile. You want to click there, and then if you haven't got a new one, this won't come up, so you just exit this if you see it. But if not, you're going to see here it's going to be your profile, and it's going to be quite simple. It's either going to be like a plus sign here, or it's going to just be add story. So once you've seen the add story thing, you're going to want to click on it. And then all you're going to want to do is you're going to allow access to your camera to actually make the story, or you can make it off your camera roll. So first of all, you're going to click allow access if you want to access your photos. So then you're going to see it there, and then you're going to scroll through, see whatever one you want for the story. And once you've got that, you're going to want to click on it. And then it's going to like load up, seeing what it is. You can put different stickers, text, draw effects, and you can mute it, you can trim, tag people, make it a boomerang, etc. There's different things you can do, like this at the bottom there. But if this is everything you wanted to do, and then you want to click share story, and then it's going to load up, and then it's also going to take the place of your profile picture as well. So it's going to be there for your story. It's going to take a while to load, obviously depending on your internet connection, how quick it's going to do it. So we'll go through until it's done here, and then it might load for quite a while, like mine did. But also another way of doing it is that sometimes you might, on your profile, if you go all the way to the top on your home screen, you might see the plus add story in the top corner of your profile. You can click on that and just do it that way. It's the same thing, so you can click here, then you better click your story like that. So you can see it's loaded up right here. Here's the example story. Just me that's recording a black screen just for the sake of this. So that's how you do it. Leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click one of the links to the videos on the screen to see videos and more Facebook tutorials. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.